How to use Coinmarketcap, a step-by-step guide. As the saying goes, you can finance your next project if you have the right partner. That's especially when it comes to using cryptocurrency. There are a number of different ways that you can use a digital currency to support your project, but there is no way to put a scope or a budget for everything you want to do. Thankfully, there are many ways to use cryptocurrency as a fundraising mechanism that doesn't require you to have a degree in economics or a lot of capital. This means that you can use it to support your project in a variety of different ways. Let's take a look at how you can use a cryptocurrency as a fundraising mechanism. Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned to Cryptela.com so you can track all crypto updates that you need all day long. Let's get started. What is Coinmarketcap? You can use cryptocurrencies as a way to raise funds to support your project, and they can be used as a way to avoid having to put up a substantial amount of capital in the future. While you don't need to have formal degrees in economics or finance to use a cryptocurrency as a vehicle to finance your project, it's a great idea to have a basic understanding of how these systems work. If you have no idea what's going on in these systems or how to use them, a quick look at the basics will help you avoid having to go into debt or pay taxes on a large amount of money. How to use Coinmarketcap, stocks and bonds. Stocks and bonds are assets that people hold that promise financial benefits to their owners. They can be used to support projects that would otherwise need a lot of funds. When people own stocks or bonds, they are putting some of their own money behind them in order to get some desired outcomes. When you use a cryptocurrency as a way to raise funds to support your project, you are essentially purchasing stock in the company. You can also use it to support your project with a variety of different ways. You can use it as a way to buy or sell assets, or you can use it as a way to raise capital for your project. You can use it as a way to create a partnership with a third party, or you can use it as a way to operate as an independent business. How to use Coinmarketcap. Asset BVs. You can use cryptocurrencies as a way to finance your project with a variety of different ways. You can use them as an investment, you can use them as a way to hold money, or you can use them as a way to buy and hold physical items. You can use them as a way to invest in stocks or bonds, or you can use them as a way to make a passive income from your investments. You can also use them to make a loan to someone or something that you don't even know exists. When you use a cryptocurrency as a way to finance your project, you are essentially taking a loan from someone or something that you don't even know exists. You can also use them as a way to get loans to buy things or invest in stocks or bonds. How to use Coinmarketcap, Real Estate Investment Trust. A real estate investment trust is an entity that is owned and controlled by the public and operated as a wholly owned subsidiary of the owner. A trust like this can help you avoid having to put up some significant amount of capital in the future. You can use it as a way to avoid having to pay taxes on a large amount of money, or you can use it as a way to make a passive income from your investments. How to use Coinmarketcap. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is the act of raising funds through a crowdsourcing campaign or fundraising mechanism. In a crowdfunding campaign, you generally host a series of events where anyone can contribute money to your project at their own pace. You can tour cities or offer classes in a variety of different topics. You can set up a meet and greet or use meetup.com to set up events for larger crowds. You can also use online crowdfunding websites like Kickstarter and Indiegogo to make micro donations to host events where people can support your project at their own pace. You can also use them as a way to support projects that you have no control over, like food, clothing, or medical care. Conclusion. With cryptocurrency still in its infancy, and a lot of the hype surrounding it still around the government, it's easy to forget that cryptocurrencies can be used as a means to help support your project. As with any new technology, you'll need to be careful with the risks that come with it, and make sure that you're doing your due diligence. If you are using a cryptocurrency as a way to support your project, it is important that you first decide who you're funding and what type of funding you are using. If you are not sure which funding vehicle to use, you can always start with a crowdfunding campaign. If you have any questions about how to use a cryptocurrency as a way to support your project, feel free to ask any of the experts on our Cryptela website. Feel free to check out Cryptela and like and share this video with your friends. Take care and well wishes on behalf of Cryptela.